Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take the Surron Ultra B and go for a quick little 2-hour trail ride. Should be a good one. It's a trail I haven't ridden before. I've hiked it and it's pretty steep. It's got a lot of elevation change. There's a lot of switchbacks on it and the trail's been getting pretty eroded. It should be a pretty good challenge. Just got to get the old Ultra B loaded. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. The sun's just peeking out, so it should warm up nice. Alrighty, there are so many cars here today. It is a busy Saturday on this trail. So I actually think I'm going to divert from this trail and take an even more challenging trail up just to avoid people. Thank you. We're going to see a lot of that. And also, there's no snow down here, but when I was pulling into the parking lot, I could see that there was a bunch of snow at elevation. It's going to be interesting to see what's up there. It might make the trails pretty spicy. It's a fun one. Oh yeah, there's the river all the way down there. Man, that would suck to fall down. Stuff's chewed up. Excuse me, thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right, so far everybody's been friendly. I think it was just cold enough last night to bring in the snow. So go somewhere up here, that's where it is. Looks like no one's traveled it yet. Oh yeah, that's a hill. I don't really know where it goes, so we're just gonna have to send it. Come on, Surron. Oh, there's a ledge right here. Oh, this is insane. Come on, come on. All right, we got this. Come on. There we go, over the root. Got to keep weight on the back wheel, but also cover your rear brakes so you don't loop. Come on. Just walk her up. Just doing a full-blown wheelie this whole time. This line's definitely way better than trying to go up that 3-foot ledge. All right, let's keep on moving on. A little feature, I guess we're going close to the edge on this. It's not too bad. All right, on the pegs and commit. There we go. That's pretty cool. Sometimes you gotta wonder how that thing got up here. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is brutal. I probably should walk this, but I think I'm just gonna hit it. Come on, get traction. Come on. Come on. Ready? Pop it. This probably wasn't the best place to stop because now I have a rock ledge in front of me and then it drops back off down there. So I can't get some momentum here. I'm gonna have to just try to go for it. I might be pushing this bike up this part though. Not enough commitment there. Commitment issues. Come on. Go. There we go. Oh, these trees. Come on, buddy. All right, came off the bike a little bit, but we're up. Come on. There we go. All right, I don't know what else is in store for us here. Watch that power line. I don't know if it's active. Definitely don't want to find out. Okay, I'm pushing this one. This one gives me a bad feeling about looping this bike out. There we go. All right, there's a hole there. All right. So I was wondering when I put this tail light on if it was going to be blocked by the mud. It actually looks like it's holding up pretty well. I know this is just snow, so it flings off easy, but it's a good sign. Bike's doing pretty good. The MX tires are probably the biggest limitation, but it's working. That should be better. Oh, that should be fun. Man, this is the perfect amount of snow to ride in. And it's wet, so you still get decent traction. Hello. I gotta stomp the snow through my foot pegs so I can get into the metal and actually get some grip on these foot pegs. Just doing my part out here, clearing the trails. It's my volunteer work. Alright, we're headed back to the car. My fingers are frozen. This is a good little ride. I only got about 10 miles in, but it's all good. Yeah, it's interesting to see the level of snow down here. There's nothing. And then up top, you got basically almost a foot, I'd say. Definitely makes for interesting conditions. Should we hit this little thing? Oh. Sneak by that. This is the one thing I love about the Surron. It's just so easy to quickly get on it and go for a quick ride. Like I said, I'm did 10 miles today by the time I get back to the truck. So it's kind of perfect for that. It was definitely a slower ride type of day due to the snow and some of the trails I was on. It was just a little bit more technical, pretty steep. Took me some time to get through them. It wasn't just flat out riding, but that's what makes this thing fun. It allows you to just easily get out and explore. Ooh, don't want to go off the trail. Little step down. Fun little section. Finally a chance to open her up. Stretch the legs. I don't got my goggles on, so I can barely see this. That guy's probably not too happy. Oh shit, that's a hairpin turn right there. Let's not fall into the culvert there. I forgot about that one. That's how it's done. Nice quick little 10-mile rip. Thank you guys for tuning into this episode. I'll catch you in the next one.